this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office with a new subscription. So today we're going to be unboxing Teeblox. So let's get in and let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, so welcome back. So as you know, we're going to be opening up Teeblox. So this is a brand new subscription to the channel, but my family has had this subscription for a couple months now, and I wanted to try it out to see if it was worth it. So my family so far has loved it. I believe this is like the 4th package that we've received from Teeblox. So if you don't know what Teeblox is a monthly subscription, and they send you a brand new t-shirt. If you're into like comic books, if you're into like the superhero type of movies, basically that's the genre that my family gets. But when you go to Teeblox.com, and I'll put the link for Teeblox below, and I'll put any coupon codes that they have currently at the time of this video there also. But if you go to Teeblox.com and you check out their site, you can kind of pick the type of t-shirts that you want. My family is totally into superheroes, so that's the type of t-shirts that they usually get. The cool thing about this subscription is that just like every subscription, it's a brand new t-shirt. You have no idea what's coming, but so far they've tied into whatever Marvel movie has been out there. So far we've gotten like a Venom t-shirt. The month that Venom came out, we had Avengers t-shirt, and the last t-shirt we had was Spider-Man. So my family has super been loving those type of t-shirts. So not a complicated thing. If you love getting fresh brand new t-shirts, then this is a subscription that you'd want to definitely get for sure. So let's get into this month's Teeblox. And yes, it's only one t-shirt, but when you go to the store, or if you went to Target, you would get, it's about the same price. So we like to be surprised in what's coming. So that's kind of why my family loves it. So let's see what they got. Let me see if there's anything extra in here. And no information, no extra stuff. Okay, so let me see. So, okay, so as you can see here, you can tell from who's on the photo what this is going to be on. And the quality of these t-shirts have been phenomenal. My family loves it. They're super soft. They're of high quality. So there have never been a complaint on the Teeblox brand to come. So here we go. So there you go. Who is that? So this is like a throwback t-shirt to Superman from back in the comics. My husband's gonna love this. He loves comics. He has like the whole collection. So there you go. I'm gonna bring it up a little shortly. So this is back in the day when comics were that much. So there you go. All right, so that was this month's Teeblox. Again, like I said, my family loves this subscription. They love the t-shirts that come, because it's always a mystery and you never know. And like I said, if there has been, let me just move that off the table. If there has been like any big movies or major movies, they kind of tie into that. So if you think about it, this month there is no real big superhero movie. So my family's definitely gonna love the Superman comic that came. Again, I'll show you that here. And it definitely looks like the comic books that were way back in the day when they first came out with comics. So again, I'll have the description and any coupon code that I can find for you guys. I'll have the link for Teeblox and any coupon codes that are available right now. But that was it. That was Teeblox. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys like subscription boxes like these, maybe comic book subscriptions. Do you guys have any other suggestions? Have you guys used Teeblox before? I know my family has been loving it these last few months, so I would definitely, if you're kind of on the fence, I would definitely recommend it, because so far from what we've seen, they tie into whatever superhero movies are out there. So we love it. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of the day. Let me know if you guys got the same t-shirt. I don't know if there's like a variety of t-shirts or they send everyone the same type. So definitely let me know so I can know how that goes. But with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on the next video. And One plug, if you guys dig subscriptions or you love unboxings, definitely make sure to like and subscribe because that's all we do on this channel. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day.